In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exchange tokens on UniSwap. By the end, you'll feel confident swapping one token for another using the UniSwap interface with a clear understanding of what you're clicking and why it matters. First, open your browser and go to the official UniSwap app. Double-check the URL to make sure you're on the legitimate site and confirm you're on the intended network, like Ethereum. When the page loads, you'll see the main navigation. Click on Trade to get to the area where swaps happen, and then choose Swap. That brings up the familiar two-panel swap box. On the top panel, you'll set what you want to sell. This is the token you're converting from. Click the token picker to select a token. If you don't see it in the suggested list, you can search by name. For less common tokens, it's best practice to verify the token by its official contract address to avoid lookalikes. Once chosen, enter the amount you'd like to sell. You'll notice the interface immediately calculates an estimated amount of the token you'll receive, along with indicators like price impact and fees. If it's your first time swapping a particular token, you may be prompted to approve it in your wallet before swapping. That's normal and allows UniSwap to access the token for the trade. Now move to the bottom panel, which is what you want to buy. Click to select the token you want to receive. Again, verify you've picked the right one, especially with tokens that share similar names. You can also type in an exact receive amount if you prefer. The other field will adjust automatically. Keep an eye on the quoted price and the minimum received line, which reflects your slippage tolerance and protects you against sudden price movement. When everything looks correct, click Swap. A confirmation window will show the route, fees, and your minimum received. Review those details carefully. If you're comfortable, confirm the swap and then approve the transaction in your wallet. You'll pay a network gas fee, and the transaction will be submitted. Wait a moment for it to confirm on-chain. You can follow the progress within your wallet or through a Block Explorer link if one appears. Once confirmed, your new tokens should appear in your wallet. If they don't display immediately, you may need to add the token to your wallet's visible assets using its contract address. That's it. Sell token chosen, amount entered, buy token selected, and swap completed safely and efficiently on UniSwap.